we are, it's sitting on our back doorstep, and it still wants to pack quite a punch, especially for northwestern parts of the state. So winter storm watches have already gone out. It does not include Marathon County. We are right on that edge of the winter storm watch, but that doesn't mean that we're in the clear because this system is still trying to pinpoint exactly where it wants to dump the heaviest snowfall. So we're talking anywhere from about 5 to 9 inches for a good chunk of the winter storm watch area. But just outside of that, here for us, I mean, we should probably expect a good 3 to 5, but it's going to come in some crazy form. So here's what's happening right now. Calm before the storm. It is gorgeous out there, not a cloud in the sky. But by the afternoon, we're going to see more and more clouds starting to filter in. They'll start to thicken. A few spotty sprinkles are possible later this afternoon and into the evening. Then tomorrow morning, some scattered showers on and off, not too heavy. But by the afternoon tomorrow and into the evening, this system is going to be dumping quite a bit of rain, where I'm talking around 3/4 of an inch to maybe an inch of rainfall. This is tomorrow night into the overnight. Then by Wednesday morning, this is when things get really hazardous. It's going to be flipping from that heavy rain quickly over to a wintry mix and then to snow that will be accumulating. So this means there'll probably be a layer of ice underneath, then the snow on top of it, and it's going to be the heavy, wet, slushy, sloppy type of snow that's heavier and harder to shovel. It's not that light, fluffy kind that we're used to getting with the cold temperatures because these temperatures are going to be right at that freezing mark, putting a lot of moisture into the snowfall. So heavy snow, wet snow, a lot of it right away, right in the morning on Wednesday, and it's going to be windy. We're talking about
Mhm.
gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour. So this is going to bring blizzard-like conditions, whiteouts where you can't really see. Wednesday is going to be really, really rough, honestly. So plan ahead for that one. But it does kick on out of here by the afternoon. It eases up, calms down at night, and then it's gone for Thursday. And for the rest of the week, we're looking at a ton of sunshine, and the sunshine continues into the weekend as well. But temperatures do kind of flirt with the freezing mark Thursday and Friday. So it's not like we're getting a major warm up that'll melt it all right away. So we are going to have to shovel a little bit of it.
And you said that right now the winter storm watch is basically west and north of where we are, just outside
Yep.
Marathon County. It sounds like, based on what you say, that that could change, that we could see that expanded, and that often at this point we're still what about a little bit 36 to 48 hours away from the real start of this storm. That just because we're not in it right now for the winter storm watch, that does not mean that we're not going to be part of it when all is said and done.
Exactly, exactly. So I would definitely stay on high alert in Marathon County. I definitely am, because right now some of these model runs are putting 6 inches right here into the Wausau area in central
Uh,
Wisconsin. So again, right on that line. Get ready for it. Be prepared for it. But hey, I guess be happy if we only get an inch or two, right?
I know, right? I know, but and it's possible we could get less. I mean, as you said,
Yeah.
right now, because I heard you talking earlier this morning that here in the Wausau area, we're kind of on that line where it could move a little bit one way or the other, and that could really affect the snow in a rather significant way.
Absolutely. I mean, it really depends on when it flips. If we're going to get flipped over to the colder temperatures, bringing that snowfall earlier in the morning, then we're going to be on that higher end of totals. If it takes until 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning to flip over, then you probably expect us to be on the lower end of those totals. So it's all on those temperatures. It's all exactly how this system times out over us. It's interesting. Keeps me on my toes, that's for sure.
And we know that you enjoy that. You enjoy to
Yes.
be being on top of it, and we enjoy having you be on top of it. Uh,
Thanks.